Welcome to Easy Moto Tim, where I share tips to enhance your motorcycle travel experience. Today's topic deals with adding custom waypoint symbols in BaseCamp. One of BaseCamp's handy features gives you the ability to import collections of waypoints, or points of interest, abbreviated POIs. We covered importing POIs in the last video. If you haven't seen that one, I suggest you watch it first. In this video, we'll download custom symbols for our waypoints and apply them. Harley owners, there's bonus information for you at the end of this video. Here we are in BaseCamp at the point where we ended the last video. We imported two custom POI files, one for the National Car Rental return sites and one for national parks. And we assigned stock waypoint symbols that are included in BaseCamp. Now, let's open one of those waypoints. Click the down arrow, as we did before. Scroll down to the bottom, and here you'll see a row of blue dots and the section called Custom. These are custom waypoint symbols that are included with the installation of BaseCamp. Let's go over to the My Garmin folder, and under that is Custom Waypoint Symbols. You'll see 8 PNG files named 000 through 007 PNG. BaseCamp can work with either with PNG files or with BMP files. And they need to be numbered 000 through 062. So you can have up to 63 custom waypoint symbols in your installation of BaseCamp. Now let's go back to our POI factory. I've logged in and we're on the POI Files tab. As before, click on Airports Aviation and then the first one, National Car Rental. In the last video, we downloaded the GPX file. The POI files for this particular section are available in GPX format and CSV format. Down here in the attachments, we see 3 links to BMP files, bitmap files. There are 24, 36, and 48. That means 24 by 24 pixels, 36 by 36, etc. Click on the link for the 24 by 24 bitmap. That's a good size. Now I'm in Edge and it downloaded. And if you're in Chrome, it also will download. But over here, let's look at Firefox. If you click on the download symbol in Firefox, you get another window with the symbol in the middle. If that happens to you, just right-click, Save Image As, save it, and I downloaded it before. Just remember where it is. Then you can go back to POI Factory. Now I have moved the symbol for the National Car Return into my working folder for POIs, the folder for National Car, and here it is. Now I'm going to click on that, Control-C to copy, then go to My Garmin Custom Waypoint Symbols, and Control-V to paste. Then I'm going to press F2 to rename, and rename it 008.bmp. We'll go back into BaseCamp, but first you have to close BaseCamp and then reopen it. It reads custom waypoint symbols just once when it starts up. So now let's open a national car waypoint, slide down all the way to the bottom, and there is the custom symbol for the national car rental. And as before, we can Control A to highlight all of them and go to the bottom, select it, and all of the national car rental return sites have that custom waypoint. Now let's go back to POI Factory and get the custom symbol for national parks. POI Files tab, the button for search for POI files, National Parks, search. Here's the one we had before. The POI files are available in CSV and TomTom OV2 formats. If we scroll down, we see in the attachments a lot of options for bitmap files. And let's pick the 24 by 24, download it, and go to our, back here, go to our working directory for that, for national parks. I've already copied it over, the bitmap file. I'm going to click it, Control C to copy, go to Custom Waypoint Symbols, paste it with Control V, F2 to rename it 009, close and reopen BaseCamp. Select our national parks list, open one of the waypoints, click the down arrow, scroll to the bottom, and there is the arrowhead for the national parks. And of course you can select all of them and assign that symbol, and they'll all have that, but it takes a good bit of time. I'll do that and cut to the point when it finishes. Select that symbol and wait. Here's a bonus for Harley owners. I uploaded a POI file to POI Factory for the Harley dealerships in the US and Canada as of December 2019. You can load these POIs to your Garmin device. You cannot load them to the infotainment system. For the infotainment system, you need to go to the Harley site. All right, the computer has finished changing the symbols to the custom symbol on all 965 national parks and monuments waypoints. I have a pretty fast computer with an i9 processor. It took several minutes. So if you're on a slower computer, be patient. It will eventually finish modifying all of those records. There you have it, custom waypoint symbols that you downloaded and installed in BaseCamp. In the next video, we'll cover how to modify custom waypoint symbols to have a transparent background and create them in different sizes. I'll be using the open source graphics program GIMP, so if you don't have it already, you can get a jump on things by downloading and installing it. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to support this channel, you can buy me a cup of coffee at buymeacoffee.com or go to the Amazon pages on my website where I have affiliate links to products I use. The link is in the description. In any case, I appreciate your support and all the positive comments. I'll see you in the next video.